हेलो चुका है चुप কাকের আওয়াজটা হচ্ছে না কা কা করে তাকাচ্ছি তাকাবো না আমি এদিক ওদিকে কেউ কোনো কথা বলিস না আমায় suddenly the topic came in my mind and now I am going to discuss with you for your benefit so what is the topic today, so let's see, and I am going to discuss with you, so let's see. And for your kind information that the whole video is covered with the bad noise, so therefore I am very sorry. Okay, so let's see. Hello guys, so you have already seen in thumbnail that what is our topic today. Today our topic is the importance of leaving comfort zone. Yes, we have to leave our comfort zone to achieve our desired goal. So here I am now going to tell you that how much I benefited after leaving my comfort zone, and apart from that I also gained lots of confidence that I couldn't imagine that before me, and right now I am really. So before moving into the topic, I would like to ask you a question, that how many people who are watching my video right now that they are not able to leave their comfort zone, they are not able to get out of the boundaries. So please raise your hand. So sorry, no, don't need to raise your hand because I couldn't able to see you, so comment below. So for better understand the today topic, I would like to see you and show you that one picture. By that you will understand better. And before that, I shall suggest you that please leave your comfort zone. And if you can't leave the comfort zone, then you will have to pay for it in your future. Really, you will have to pay for it. And that time you will feel regret on yourself. So now see the picture. Yeah, the picture. Now look at the picture. Yes, the picture is, what is the picture? You can see that a ship is standing at harbor, at port. A judge, একটা জাহাজ দাঁড়িয়ে আছে তার বন্দরে. So what does it indicate? What does it indicate? Can you please tell me? Yes, you are absolutely right. That a ship is safe at harbor, right? একটা জাহাজ তার বন্দরের কাছেই সুরক্ষিত থাকে. If am I not wrong? It is absolutely true. Okay. So now see the next picture. Now look at the next picture. What is that? So does it make or build for staying all the time at harbor? No, it is not made for that. That is not for what it is built for. Look at the picture. So যার যদি এক জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে থাকে তো সে সুরক্ষিত, কিন্তু ওকে তো বাণিজ্য করতেই হবে, তুমি জানো. ইউ গাইস অলরেডি নো অ্যাবাউট দ্য হোয়াট ইজ শিপ ইউজড ফর, দ্য হোয়াট কাইন্ড অফ work done by ship, you know guys already. So why are you staying in your comfort zone all the time? So in this way you can also imagine yourself that you are made for doing something great, not to be stay in comfort zone always, right? You don't need to stay in your boundaries, you have to expand it for doing something great like ship. It is very important for our life to be success in our life. So now if you think that I should stay in my comfort zone there where no one will disturb me, no one will criticize me, no one will insult me, yeah, I am okay in my comfort zone. And if I tell something to my friends and this is not going to make a sense, then they will make fun, they will criticize me, then it is okay to be stay in comfort zone. If this kind of negativity arise in your mind, then please remove it and leave your comfort zone. Okay, So you don't need to be down after listen your friend that they are criticize you, they will criticize you, it's their job. But you have to always rise above all the criticism and don't have to be discouraged. In my experience, I used to be very shy at college, at high school, at school. I used to be very shy. I always thought that if I not get permission to my head sir, from my head sir, from my principal, and if they are not agreed with me, so what they will think, they would think. That kind of thinking had been arised in my mind that time. But after that, when I started to live without any barrier, without the boundaries, that time I noticed that I have been changed, and immensely. I have changed my attitude, I have changed my personality immensely after leaving my comfort zone. So therefore, I would like to suggest you, recommend you that you guys have to leave your comfort zone as well to grow yourself. And if you can't, then you will have to pay for it in future. Really, it is absolutely true. Okay, so that's today's topic, and nothing is in my mind. So when something will become in my mind, then I will have to share with you that. So okay, so namaskar, thank you, goodbye, stay healthy, stay fit, tada.